Today we're getting our first real look at the iPhone 18 Air 2, Apple's anticipated follow-up to the ultra-thin iPhone Air. This could be one of Apple's most stylish mid-range phones yet, so let's unpack everything we currently know. First up, where the iPhone 18 Air 2 fits into Apple's 2026 lineup. Unlike flagship Pro models that are likely to debut in September 2026, there's uncertainty in the roadmap. Multiple reports suggest the second-generation Air could either launch with the fall lineup or slip into spring 2027 alongside the base iPhone 18 and the iPhone 18e. That uncertainty comes from Apple reevaluating its release strategy, possibly splitting premium and standard models into two separate launch windows, a shift from its traditional single annual announcement. If the iPhone 18 Air 2 does arrive in late 2026, it's expected to retain the Air series' hallmark ultra-slim design, likely featuring a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display with a high refresh rate. The goal here is a lightweight, sleek experience, something that sets the Air apart from heavier Pro phones. What's changing are the core features that users really want but didn't get in the first Air model. One of the biggest upgrades rumored for the Air 2 is the introduction of a dual rear camera setup, a major leap over the original single 48-megapixel camera. The new configuration is expected to pair the main sensor with a 48-megapixels ultra-wide lens, giving users wider shots and more versatility without sacrificing the phone's slim profile. This addresses one of the main complaints about the first Air, its lack of a second lens, while keeping photography capabilities closer in line with other modern iPhones. Under the hood, the iPhone Air 2 is widely expected to benefit from Apple's next generation, A20 family of chips, possibly using the A20 Pro silicon to boost performance and efficiency. The 2-nanometer process should yield improved power management and faster performance overall, great for everyday use and heavier tasks like gaming or video editing. This move would let the Air 2 sit comfortably between the standard base lineup and Apple's flagship Pro models in speed, battery life, and multitasking. Let's talk context. The original iPhone Air drew mixed reactions because its ultra-slim form factor came with compromises, smaller battery capacity and a single camera being chief among them. Apple's Air 2 strategy seems aimed at preserving the signature thin design while closing the gaps that turned off some early customers. By adding a second camera and likely boosting internal performance, Apple is clearly attempting to make the Air 2 more competitive without sacrificing its key aesthetic advantage. Of course, all of this is based on leaks and industry reporting, and Apple could still finalize the Air 2's features or shift its timeline. But based on current information, the iPhone 18 Air 2 is shaping up to be the most refined and capable Air series phone yet, with a more compelling camera system, improved performance, and the sleek design that made the original stand out. So what are you most excited about, the dual cameras, thinner design, or the potential A20 performance boost? Drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed this first look trailer breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for all the latest Apple 2026 news.